Okay guys, so let's get started. I hope that you have downloaded the assets that are in the description. If you haven't done that already, make sure you go and do that. And let's get into this video. So first of all, what I am going to do is I am going to put the song into the software. So if I just get this one. And I'm using the song because obviously it's not copyright. But obviously when you're going to use your own, you can do that. Now on here, I'm just going to click this one here. So make sure that goes in the song. I'm going to play this song for you. So as you can see with this song, there's no effects applied to it. So now we're going to add our effects. So first of all, what you need to do is go here. And when you go into this is called the mixer master. Now in here is where you put all your effects. So already it has a effect applied automatically, which is called fruity limiter. That'll make sure that when the song is peaking, it doesn't get too much, aggravated or anything like that. Okay, so what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into slot 9. I'm just going to go and select, and I'm going to select Fruity Reverb 2. Just going to close this for now because right now all I'm doing is adding the effects. Okay, so this is the other plugin that you downloaded before, which is the Sennheiser Ambio Orbit. So let's just double click that and it will automatically show. Okay, so here now you can see all these options. This basically what this does is just gives you that effect of the 8D, so it's going right, left and all the way around. Okay, so that's what that does. So let's just close this for now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to obviously play this again. And this is with all the effects applied. So it's not sounding too good right now. So what we need to do is make this better. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto the Sennheiser Ambio. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go onto brick. And the size, I'm just going to put that in the middle. Obviously, there's no right or wrong about this. You can choose your own, but this is what I prefer for myself. So the clarity, I'm going to get that right up to about, say, 94. And the width, I'm going to get up to about, say, 8. And I'm just going to move this around, and I'll tell you why in a second. And I'm just going to close this. I'm going to close this. And now what you need to do is you need to just select the amount of seconds. So I usually do about 5. I think that's a sweet spot for me. But obviously you can do it for a different way if you want. And on this one here, I'm just going to right click. And I'm going to select Create Automation Clip. And as you see right now, it says Sennheiser Ambio. So I'm just going to click on there. Double click that, make sure that goes off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this all the way up here. I'm going to drag this all the way down there. And I'm just going to basically left click on the top bit there. And I'm just going to click here and I'm just going to drag. Make sure you don't let go of the mouse. Just keep dragging till the song is fully pasted with this plugin. And I'm just going to drag this end one here on the left. Okay. So now I'm just going to go on here again and we're going to go on the plugin. And now what you can see is this here. Okay, so if you play it now, can you see? So that's moving around. Okay, so that's done now, and it's as easy as that. And now what we need to focus on is the fruity reverb, because this is where the magic happens. I'm just going to close the mixer master for now. And for this, you need to keep the song played. So I'm just going to play with these settings. And obviously, if you want to, you can obviously do it your own way. But this is the settings that I use, that I'm going to use right now. So I'm just going to play the song again. So as you can see, this is the dry and this is the wet. I usually put the wet up because I think that gives a more of a nice, 8D effect. So this bit's done now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play the song and play with these settings, and let's see what we come up with. And it is as easy as that. How long did that take? I don't think it took that long at all, to be honest with you. I mean, for me it's easy obviously because I'm used to it, but if you follow the instructions that I have given you today, honestly it is a absolute game changer. And in the next video I will show you how to export this, and that video may come out tomorrow or may come out the day after, but I will get that out soon, and I will give you the exact same right kind of export settings that you need, so to make sure that your song is exported correctly. So guys, my name is Aussie Visuals. I hope you enjoyed this free tutorial with this free plugin and this amazing software called FL Studio. Hope you guys are well, stay safe, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care, bye.